Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple spaghetti called spaghetti alla puttanesca in Italian. It's an Italian recipe. It's very simple to make and it's very delicious. I hope you give it a try. So let's get into the ingredients. So you're going to be needing some spaghetti, parsley, fresh parsley or dry one, but it's called for fresh parsley, and garlic, extra virgin of olive oil, some dry or fresh pepper, I'm using dry one, Capri, this fish, which I'm going to be leaving the name of the fish at the description, is always on the oil. You can get it in any supermarket. Salt, green olive, you can use black olive as well, which I'm going to be slicing them off the camera. And this is cherry tomatoes. Make sure you slice the cherry tomatoes, depends on how you want them to be sliced. So those are the ingredients. So the first step you're going to take, just over the heat, place a pan and add the extra virgin of olive oil, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Allow the oil to heat before adding the garlic. So now the garlic is there. I'm going to allow the garlic to roast for a minute before adding the other ingredients. Sorry for the camera that is shaking. So now I'm adding a teaspoon of Capri, a teaspoon of dry pepper. If you don't like pepper, just add a little bit. You can use fresh pepper as well. And now I'm going to be adding the fish I showed you earlier. The name of the fish, I'm going to be leaving it at the description. And here I'm adding the fresh parsley, chopped fresh parsley. So mix them all up together, guys. Like, I'm not going to be using salt for this sauce because the fish has salt already, and as well the Capri, they have salt. So I'm going to place water over the heat while that is cooking for the spaghetti. So you're going to stir them over a low heat until the fish and the Capri is well melted in the oil. That is what you're going to be doing. So allow the fish and the Capri to melt before adding the olive. So now I'm adding the olive. As you can see, I chopped the olive little by little, depends on how you want to chop them. Just continue mixing them together over a medium-low heat. After mixing them together for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the fresh cherry tomatoes. So just chop the fresh cherry tomatoes. I'm using about 100 grams, and add it to the sauce. Stir them all up together and put the heat down. So you're going to cook it until the tomatoes become soft, which is this color you're looking for here. Like I said, I'm not going to be using salt because the Capri and the fish contain salt. So, but if you are the type that love more salt, go ahead and add extra. So for the pasta, the water is boiling and I'm using sea salt for the pasta, the big salt. You can use any salt of your choice. Now I'm adding the spaghetti into the water after adding the salt. So I'm going to allow the spaghetti to cook. Depend on how many minutes your spaghetti asks to be cooked. Okay, mine has to be cooked for 7 minutes. So the spaghetti is cooked now out of the water. So I'm removing the garlic from the sauce. If you like garlic, you can leave it there. Adding the spaghetti into the sauce and just go ahead and mix them all up together. This recipe takes less than 20 minutes to make, guys. I'm telling you the truth, less than 20 minutes and you have this delicious spaghetti cooked, ready to dive in. So just mix the spaghetti very well with the pasta, just with the sauce. Ignore the pasta that is there. My son prefers pasta than spaghetti. So I'm just going to mix them all up, and yeah, I'm going to dish them. This recipe is very delicious. You can never go wrong with this recipe. So make sure you give it a try. Share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I will see you all on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.